Alright guys, I'm going to kind of readdress some misconceptions about solving for missing sides. This has been easily the most challenging topic that we have discussed in our unit thus far, and I really kind of want to focus on a couple things that I think will help you. So I have a single triangle. I'm looking for x and y. I have one angle and one known side. Okay. If I start off looking at this, if I look at my indication, I'm going to say I always want to write down my SOHCAHTOA to help me with this. And I'm going to start by labeling the sides. This is our angle, so that means this is the opposite, the O. This is our hypotenuse, the H. This is our adjacent, the A. Okay? So I've got two equations that I need to deal with. And I need to find x and I need to find y. Now x and y are the adjacent and the hypotenuse, which is the cosine, but I need to have a known value, such as 14, before I can start using an unknown value, just before I can solve for an unknown value. So I don't want to use cosine. When I look at this, I see x and 14, that's opposite and adjacent. So I'm going to use tangent. And if I want to find opposite and hypotenuse, that's y, I'm going to use sine. But I can't use both of them. I can't use both x and y. So the first thing I do is I write my equations. So my sine equation would be sine of 37 degrees is equal to opposite 14 divided by hypotenuse, which is y. Okay? So if I was solving for this one, I have sine of 37 equals 14 over y. When you see this one, y is the denominator is underneath. There's a quick switch. So to solve for y, if the denominator is down below, I simply switch the trigonometric ratio with y. Okay? For my tangent equation, tangent of 37 degrees is equal to opposite 14 over adjacent x. Okay, that's opposite and adjacent. Again, my unknown value is in the denominator, so I do a quick switch, and I come up with x is equal to 14 divided by tangent of 37 degrees. Okay, this is a quick switch method that I can use anytime my unknown value is in the denominator. Okay, there are other situations where I don't have that option, where if I have like a different situation, say this one, where I'm given 20, let's say it's another 39 degrees this time, and I have x over here, and I see in this case I have 20 as my side. Okay, when I look at this one, I'm thinking, okay, opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. Again, that tells me it's sine. So I'd have an equation like this where it says sine of 39 degrees is equal to opposite x over hypotenuse. When I see the x is in the numerator, I just multiply by my denominator to figure it out. So x becomes 20 times sine of 39. Okay? Make sure that you use the correct formula to approach this, and you will have a lot of success. Okay?